Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the latest buzz in the tech world, the iPhone 16e by Apple. Let's see what makes this new device stand out. Apple recently unveiled the iPhone 16e, a budget-friendly alternative to the standard iPhone 16. It's designed to bring premium features to a wider audience. So, what's new with the iPhone 16e? Starting with the design, the iPhone 16e sports a sleek, durable, aerospace-grade aluminum body available in classic black and white. It features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, offering vibrant colors and sharp visuals too. However, it retains the traditional notch design instead of the dynamic island found on the iPhone 16. Under the hood, the iPhone 16e is powered by Apple's latest A18 chip, ensuring smooth performance and support for Apple Intelligence features. It comes with a 4-core GPU, slightly less powerful than the 5-core GPU in the iPhone 16, but still more than capable for everyday use. The camera setup is a notable differentiator. The iPhone 16e boasts a single 48-megapixel fusion camera, capable of capturing high-quality images. However, it lacks the ultra-wide lens and advanced features like cinematic and action modes found in the iPhone 16. One area where the iPhone 16e shines is battery life. It offers up to 26 hours of video playback, surpassing the iPhone 16's 22 hours. This makes it a great choice for users who prioritize longevity. In terms of connectivity, the iPhone 16e supports Wi-Fi 6 but lacks ultra-wideband support. It also supports standard key wireless charging, but doesn't have MagSafe compatibility. However, it does include groundbreaking satellite features like emergency SOS and messages via satellite. So, is the iPhone 16e worth it? If you're looking for a cost-effective iPhone with robust performance and can forego advanced camera features and MagSafe charging, the iPhone 16e is an excellent choice. It's ideal for users who prioritize battery life and essential functionalities. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content. Let me know in the comments if you're considering getting the iPhone 16e or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.